Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to use the XMGRACE software to plot graph that is suitable for article publication. So let's start. So let's go. Copy. So CD. So right now I'm inside this folder. So if I press list, so I'm inside here. So once you have your Linux installed or your Ubuntu software installed, automatically it comes with XMGRACE. So type XMGRACE and click enter. So this particular page will pop up. It will pop up. So from here you can import your data. So to import data, we'll come here and import. Click here, choose the first one. Then because we are inside, what you usually do is to delete this back.dat file because it doesn't support the .dat. Then you click enter. Once you click enter, you go to the particular file that you wish to plot. So let's say we want to plot this one. I will click this one and press OK. I can close this one. So this is my the bands, the electronic band structure, right? Okay, so from here you can see there are several types of colors. I can double click here, just double click, come to this place, then Control A will highlight everything. Then I'll click this side and press black, right? Then I'll apply, accept. So everything is now black. Okay, remember that we want our Fermi energy to be situated at 0. So what we need to do is to come here, data, transformation, evaluate expression. Then we'll click any one of them, then Control A. Come here, click any one of them, Control A. Then I'll come here and type y equal to y minus the Fermi energy. Now the Fermi energy is not at 0, it's somewhere around this area. But now we want the Fermi energy to be situated at 0. So I'll go and pick my Fermi energy, which is somewhere 18.4. So I'll type 18.4. Now I'll click accept. So you can see that my Fermi energy will be found at exactly 0. So what we want to do is to see if we can get the electronic band structure from maybe 10 to from minus 10 to 10, minus 10 to 10. So we'll go to our plots, axis property. This is X, so change it to Y and click minus 10 to 10 and accept. So it will take from minus 10 to 10 and accept. Now let's fill this part. We'll go back to the same plot axis. Now let's label our y-axis. Our y-axis will be energy, electron volts. That's 1. Then the major spacing, we might want it to be 2. Then the minor tick maybe 1, right? Then we can click accept and that will bring out these parts. Now this our x-axis, we need to know the maximum value so that we just, so for that reason we'll come here, these other parts, these are the key points, x-axis coordinates, the x coordinate for the key point. So this is the last one. So the last one is 3.7802. 3.7802. So I can come here and click data, plot. So my x, so 0 to 3.7802. So I'll click accept. You can see it's taking everything now. Then you can also reduce this size if you feel it's too wide enough by double clicking this one. You can reduce it if you feel it's too wide enough. Okay, so I think this one is okay. Then let's set our Fermi energy. Our Fermi energy, this line here. To set the Fermi energy, we come to plot axis property. We click alternate X. Once you click alternate X, you click this one. You remove this, then you click 0 axis. Then you apply, accept. So this is a Fermi energy. In fact, you can even use different design axis. You can come here. Okay, let's see the line type. The line type, you can come here and click maybe line style. You can click this one and say apply. So you can see the line style is changed. Okay, so the next thing is to find these vertical lines. So to find these vertical lines, we'll come to plot axis property and click X. Once we click X, we come to the tick mark. We draw grid lines. Then we go to special. Now under this special, we quickly click tick marks and label. Then we come to our lines. We have how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. 6 of them. So we'll reduce this one to 6. Now, so the first thing I would need to do is to check. This is our 0. The 0 will be here. Then this is 1.0, 1.0, 1.5, 1.5, and the next one is 1.8536, 1.8536, and the next one is 2.9142, 2.9142, and the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3.7, 3.7, 802, 802. Now the labels that will be here can be found from our plot band. Let's see our plot band here. Okay, although it's not there, but we can label it as X, gamma, Y, and so on and so forth. So okay, so let's call the first one gamma, and to put gamma we use / X space then G. Then the next one we can call it X. The next one we can call it W. Then the next one we can call it U, depending on what you want to call it. Then the next one we can call it gamma, and finally we can call this one L. Then once we are done, then we come back to this place, main, display tick labels. We can clean this one off. No, we click this one, display tick marks. We clean this one, then say apply. So you can see that the graph is out. So this is the electronic band structure for that particular. Or you can even work on this graph by changing the lines. You can come here, view, plot axis, right? by going to these thick lines, line style. You can make it, and the line color, you can make it blue and say apply. You can see them, but if you wish to make it thick, you can increase it and accept. So this is what you have as your electronic band structure. Now once you are done, you want to save it, you come here, you press file, save as, you come down here and you can call it band underscore the name of the compound. Let's call it FE whatever, but it's also important you use dots AGR, then you press OK. So now you have saved it. Any other adjustment you make, you can always come here and say save, no longer save as. So with this, I've saved it. So now it's also important for you to save to print it. To print into a file that is copyable, you come here and press print setup. You change this one to EPS, accept. Then you come here, file, you say print. It's already printed. So if I close this one, close this. Now this is my graph. If I double click, this is what it will give me. Very beautiful graph, right? Although these particular lines, blue lines, has to be removed, which can be taken care of. It can be removed. So with this, we can always we can copy. You can copy using GIMP file. If you want to go back to the script, just come here and type XMGRACE, the name of the file, or the, so it will now be band.agr. The AGR means grace, XMGRACE. That's the extension. So grace. Then you click enter to take you back to that same place, right? So whenever you want to make any adjustments, you can always make. Then also, there's what we call the Fermi energy objects. We can come here and click window, draw objects. Then I can click text, and I'll type F, Fermi energy underscore F. Then I'll click accept. Oh, it's not lower, so come here. Accept. Okay, so I'll click here, give space, F of let me see, I want to make it subscript. Subscript F underscore. Okay, whatever the case may be, there is I've forgotten the right stuff, but this is what you do. Then you can now move it. You can move object to allow you to move it towards this side. So it becomes E subscript F. Once I notice the value, how to make it subscript, then I'll let you know. So you can do so many things with your XMGRACE, right? If you want this part to be blue, all this part to be blue, you can make it blue. Then all this part to be whatever. Then what else again? What other thing? If you want to, okay, I think that's all. So please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.